Annoying empty rows are messing up your data? In this video, I'll show you 4 different techniques to remove blank rows from your workbook. I promise you this video will be under 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Mihir Kamdar and I'm your tutor at officetechskill.com where we teach professionals how to become productive in their workplace. You can download the file from the description below. There are 4 ways where you can remove empty rows from your data. So in this case, we have a lot of empty rows that you see in our worksheet. So the first way is using the filter method. So select all the data, click on filter, and then you can just simply select, uncheck the blank, click OK. This will remove all the filter rows. The second option is using go to special. So go to home, click on this icon, click on go to special, click on blank, click OK. Now this is selecting all the blank rows. As you see, it has selected all the blank rows. Then click on home and then just click delete sheet rows, and now this will remove all the blank rows. So this is the second way. The third way is using VBA. So basically we can type in this VBA code to remove all the blank rows. Make sure your developer tab is enabled. So you can do this by going to file, go to option, click on customize ribbon, and then select developer. Then click OK. And now your developer tab should be available. Click on Visual Basic, insert a module, and this is where we'll write our VBA code. So just type in this VBA code. So it's going to be sub delete blank rows. So now first we'll declare all the variables. So it's going to be dim last row as long. Long means we are assigning a numerical data type to this variable, which is last row. The second one is going to be dim I as long. So this is the second numeric data type variable that we are listing. Then we are going to assign the variable last row. So active sheet dot cells rows dot count a and Excel up row for I. So now I'll create a loop. Last row 2 1 step -1. Sorry for interrupting this video. I have a special offer for you. I have a free Excel course on my website. The link is in the description below. Please check it out to learn more. Now back to the video. We'll add the if condition. If application worksheet function dot count a rows I equals 0, then rows I delete. So basically we're providing a if condition. If there's a blank row in our data, then it will delete that row. And now we are ending our if condition. And it will go to the next loop. So we are using the next I. So it will iterate through each and every row, this VBA code. So now our VBA code is complete. So now let's test this out if it works. So let me minimize this and I'll click on run. So there's a spelling error. It should be next instead of next. So now if I try it again, it's running. And shortly you should see that all the rows are deleted. As you see, it has deleted all the rows. So this is the third method. The fourth method is using Power Query. So you can select all the data, or you can go to data, click on from table range. And this will bring in all the data into your Power Query. You can just simply select, use the filter function here and remove null. Click OK. And then you can close and load to. So you can add this data in a new worksheet. And now this data won't show any blank rows. So these are four methods that you can implement for removing blank rows in your workbook. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so next time when I drop a video, YouTube can notify you.